Hello. It's me, Mel, again. And thank you very much for joining me. And for those who are new here, thank you very much for stopping by. And like my title said, please join me in unboxing my Boxyluxe for March 2020. So, what is Boxyluxe? Boxyluxe is a quarterly box that is an upgrade. Correct me if I'm wrong. An upgrade from your regular Boxycharm that comes every month, and the Boxycharm is $25 a month. And if you upgrade to Boxyluxe, every quarter they will add from your 25, they will add $24.99, and that gives you a total of $49.99 if I'm not mistaken. And these are all full-size items, and I think you will get up to 8 items in a box if I'm not mistaken. So for that to find out, let's open this box, okay? And when you open it, this is what it looks like, and it says hello charmer. And for this month's theme, I need something to put this down. Okay, now for this month's theme is, okay, this is the Boxycharm. I don't know if you can see that. It says pretty edgy. And do I have, oh, there it is. So I have, my variation is number, I don't know if you can see it. How am I gonna show it? Number 15, okay? And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's total of 9, but 2 items are considered as 1 because they're deluxe sample sizes, okay? I think every box has this too. And these are from Sol de Janeiro. And one is the Brazilian Bum Cream. And the other is the Coco Cabana Cream. This one I have already. I think I got this from Ipsy. Here's my old one. And I rarely use this because my kids don't like the scent, because you can really, it has a strong coconut smell. And this is the new one I got from Boxycharm. And this one I haven't tried. So let me smell this one. Oh, this one smells better than this one. This Coco Cabana Cream, the scent is so strong. So this too is valued at $15. Okay, yeah, I think this is the item I chose. So this is the QMS Medi Cosmetics Lip Line Corrector, and this one retails for $200. And this one is a lip serum. So how do you use this? Lightweight serum formulated to hydrate and plump the lips for a smoother, youthful appearance. Formulated exclusively for the upper lip area, Lip Line Corrector targets fine line and wrinkles. This high-performance lightweight serum is specifically designed to hydrate and plump lips for a smoother, youthful appearance. Now this one retails for $200. My gosh. And the next one here is, I haven't tried this one, and this is from Spongel. This is my first Spongel ever, and this is the Body Wash Infused Buffer, and this one retails for $16. Body Wash Infused Buffer. Let's smell. Oh my God, it smells so good. This is French lavender. Wow. I'm happy with this. And the next one here is, this is from Becca. And this is the Skin Love Glow Glaze Stick. What is this? Infused with Glow Nectar Brightening Complex. This is how it looks like. Oh! It's this thing. Is it like a blur stick? Oh, glow glaze stick. What is this? Your post-facial glow in a stick. An ultra sheer, oh, it's a highlighter. An ultra sheer translucent highlighter that imparts a dewy glass-like sheen to skin, enriched with Becca's Glow Nectar Brightening Complex for healthier looking, more radiant skin. One universal shade creates a glass-like ethereal glow in all skin tones. And this one retails for $28. The next one here, which is I'm excited, is this is the Boxycharm Hello Charmer palette, and this one retails for $39. Oh my gosh. And that's how it looks like. Oh, I like this because it's like it's embossed. Here you can feel. Wow. Even this one. This one is, wow. This one is made in Taiwan. And that's how it looks like at the back, and it says cruelty free. Okay, so there's a very nice mirror. And here are the shades. Oh my God. I am loving full size, swipe up, sneak peek, and charmer, and luxe. Oh my goodness. This reminds me of a shade of one palette that I got. Wow. I'm not gonna swatch it though, because I don't know when I'm gonna be using this, but I am really loving the shade. The next one here is, this is from PMD, and this is the PMD Beauty Smart Facial Cleansing Device, and this one retails for $99. So what is this thing? Let's take it out of the box. Oh wow. Oh, there's a battery in here. Oh, so there's a plastic stand, and there's a battery. PMD also, the name of the battery. So you put this in the stand like that. And this is, I don't know if you can see there, it says PMD, and that's how it looks like. There's those bristles. And what is this? So PMD Clean is a smart facial cleansing device with over 7,000 vibrations per minute. Our sonic glow technology not only ensures a deep cleanse, but provides a way to lift, firm, and tone problem areas for a more youthful appearance. I'm happy with this one. I think every box has this. Oh, there's one more here. So this is from NARS, and this is the Power Matte Lip Pigment, and this one retails for $25. Okay. Oh, where is this made from, by the way? Oh, this one is made in USA. And the spongel is Also made in USA. So NARS is made in Italy. Okay, let's open this baby up. And what is the shade? Warm Leatherette. Oh. So Warm Leatherette. That's the shade. I don't know. It's kind of... Oh my gosh. And that is the shade for this is the Warm Leatherette. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to use this shade though, but we'll see. If I'm not gonna be able to use this, I'm gonna give this to my friend. Moving on, and this is the last but not the least. I think I also chose this one as my second choice, and this is from LUXE by Stephanie Taylor, and this is Play It by Ear Pave Hoop Earrings, and this one is $32. Wow, it's not, doesn't even feel heavy. There's this, see that design, it makes it shiny. Wow. I'm gonna put this back on and I'm gonna keep wearing this. Okay, now I'm liking it. Okay, I'm gonna keep wearing this. So it is so worth it. Everything is so worth it. I only paid $49.99 plus I think I paid $5 shipping, and I got $454 worth of products. So is that good or not? Because for me it is so good. I've got everything. I liked everything. I know I can use everything, and I get to try things that I know I'm not gonna be able to, or I won't personally purchase if I go in a store. So that's what's in my box. Let me know what's your opinion. Leave a comment below, and please, if you like the video, please hit the thumbs up. And if you're gonna dislike the video, what can I do, right? It's your opinion, it's your point of view. And if you haven't done it yet, if you're new here in my channel, and if you came back but you haven't subscribed yet, please do hit the subscribe button, and always hit the notification bell also, so you will know if I have a new video up. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in my, and hopefully I'll be seeing you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching again. Until then, bye-bye. And by the way, stay safe everyone.